Welcome to our tutorial on printing a single-sided A3 poster. My name is Clara Wiebold and I work for Prinect Service. We'll now show you how to print this A3 poster on your digital press using Prinect DFE. We'll create a new job for this. Give it a job number and a job name. Add your PDF file to the job by dragging and dropping it there. The document automatically runs through a qualify sequence. This checks the print data for errors. We can now define the print settings. Go to the Digital Printing step to do this. Set an SRA3 paper in the Paper and Page Settings tab. You can see which paper is in the paper tray from the digits that are prefixed. Rotate the content by 90 degrees. Make sure that the Cut Marks option is set in the Print Mark Settings tab. You can customize the size of the preview using these two icons. You can check the cut marks in the preview. You can save all of your settings as a template to use it in a sequence in future jobs. Give it a descriptive name to make it easier to reuse it. We have now defined all relevant settings and we can submit the job to the press. Enter the delivery quantity you need in this box. When you confirm your data, you send your job to the press. You can check the job status in the Digital Printing terminal. You can find more information about operation of the Prinect cockpit by pressing the F1 key.